Dear first year students, we are handling the topic trigonometry. Exercise 6D sums. In the chapter trigonometry, exercise 6D, Roman number 2 sums. In Roman number 2, 1 and 2 yesterday completed. Today let us discuss Roman number 2, third, fourth, fifth. Roman number 2, third, fourth, fifth. Page number 272. In mathematics 1 year textbook. In third, in fourth, and fifth, separate Romans are there. Third one, first one. Third one, prove that first one sin 2a by 1 minus cos 2a. Sin 2a by 1 minus cos 2a into 1 minus cos a whole by cos a is equal to tan a by 2. Second question, sin 2x by secant x plus 1 into secant 2x by secant 2x plus 1 is equal to tan x by 2. Let us discuss first question, taking LHS. Sin 2a by 1 minus cos 2a, sin 2a formula 2 sin a cos a whole by 1 minus cos a formula 2 sin square a into 1 minus cos a formula 2 sin square a by 2 whole by simply leave cos a. Cos a get cancelled. 2 get cancelled, sin square a get cancelled. That is equal to, right here, 2 sin a by 2 into sin a by 2 whole by, this is sin single a is there, submultiple angle formula sin a formula 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2. 2 get cancelled, sin a by 2 get cancelled. We got only sin a by 2 by cot a by 2. Sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. So tan a by 2, this is RHS. Now second question, sin 2x, LHS I am writing. Sin 2x by secant x plus 1 into secant 2x by secant 2x plus 1. Sin 2x by secant x plus 1 into secant 2x by secant 2x plus 1. Write the formula like this. Sin 2x formula 2 sin x cos x whole by, take this one as LCM 1 by cos x. Write secant x as 1 by cos x plus 1 into, simply leave this secant 2x by, this is also 1 by cos 2x plus 1 continuously writing here 2 sin x cos x 2 sin x cos x by taking LCM, this is 1 plus cos x into denominator cos x is there, it will be in the numerator minus secant, or it is into into secant 2x by, take here 1 plus cos 2x LCM and write here cos 2x. Cos 2x and secant 2x is equal to 1. We use the concept secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. So secant theta into cos theta is equal to 1. So this becomes 1. That is equal to, next step, 2 into sin x into cos square x by 1 plus cos 2x formula, 1 plus cos x formula, 2 cos square x by 2 submultiple angle. This is 1 by 1 plus cos 2x formula, 2 cos square x. So 2 cos square x get cancelled. Now write here sin x formula according to submultiple angle formula, 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. Whole by this is 2 cos square x by 2. 2 get cancelled. Cos square x by 2 get cancelled. So we got here sin x by 2 by cos x by 2. That is equal to tan x by 2. This is our answer. In the topic of trigonometry, while watching the video, you used to get bored because you don't know formula. You will not read the formula. That is your laziness. If you will not read the formula, whatever I said previously, each and every formula which is necessary for IP and objective, everything I said. So whatever formula I said, if you don't know, if you will not practice, you cannot understand. Not only myself, but also every step. You can compare with every staff member. If any particular staff member will teach to you, also you cannot understand if you don't know the proper formula. So if you know the formula, you can easily understand this trigonometry. Third one, second question completed. Third one. Cos cube theta minus cos theta. Cos cube theta minus cos 3 theta whole by cos theta plus sin cube theta plus sin 3 theta whole by sin theta. Take LHS cos cube theta minus cos 3 theta formula, 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta whole by cos theta plus sin cube theta plus sin 3 theta formula, 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta whole by sin theta. That is equal to cos cube theta minus 4 cos cube theta plus 3 cos theta whole by cos theta plus here 3 sin theta minus 3 sin cube theta whole by sin theta. This is also cos cube minus 4 cos cube gives minus 3 cos cube. So we can write 3 cos cube minus 3 cos cube theta by cos theta plus 3 sin theta minus 3 sin cube theta whole by sin theta. Take 3 here common. I mean 3 cos theta you can take common. Within the brackets 1 minus cos square theta whole by cos theta plus here t3 sin theta you can take common within the brackets 1 minus sin square theta whole by sin theta. Sin theta get cancelled, cos theta get cancelled. So 3 into 1 minus cos square theta formula sin square theta plus 3 also you can take common 1 minus cos square theta becomes 1 minus sin square theta becomes cos square theta, that is equal to this is 3 into 1, that is equal to 3. Fourth question. Third question 3 parts completed. Fourth question, show that cos A is equal to cos 3A by 2 cos 2A minus 1. Hence find the value of cos 15 degrees. Hence find the value of cos 15 degrees. Take RHS. With the LHS we can do that. Take RHS, then from RHS to LHS we can prove. Cos 3A by 2 cos 2A minus 1. Cos 3A formula 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos whole by 2 into cos 2A formula 2 cos square A minus 1 and minus 1 is there. Take cos A common within the brackets we will get 4 cos square A minus 3 by here multiply 2 into 2 4 cos square A minus this is 2 minus 1 so minus 3 directly get cancelled. We got only cos A, that is LHS. So LHS to RHS we got. Therefore we can confirm that cos A is equal to cos 3A whole by 2 cos 2A minus 1. He is asking if 15 degrees. Put A is equal to 15 degrees here. A is equal to 15. So cos 15 degrees is equal to cos 45 degrees because here 3 into 15 by 2 into cos 30 degrees minus 1. Cos 45 value 1 by root 2 whole by 2 into cos 30 value root 3 by 2 minus 1. This 2 get cancelled, that is equal to 1 by write like this root 3 minus 1 into here root 2. Now rationalize with root 3 plus 1. So this is root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Here root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1 as the formula of A minus B into A plus B, formula A square minus B square. Therefore the value of cos 15 is root 3 plus 1 by this is 3 minus 1 becomes 2 root 2. We know that cos 15 value is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Already we have proved 4 days back. Fourth question, second one. Show that sin A is equal to sin A is equal to sin 3A by 1 plus 2 cos 2A. Sin 3A by 1 plus 2 cos 2A, hence find sin 15 degrees. Hence find sin 15 degrees. Sin A equal to sin 3A by 1 plus 2 cos 2A. Here also take RHS. sin 3a by 1 plus 2 cos 2a. Sin 3a formula 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a whole by 1 plus 2 cos 2a. 2 into cos 2a formula can be written as in terms of sin as 1 minus 2 sin square a. That is equal to 3 minus sin a taken common. Sin a into this is 3 minus 4 sin square a whole by this is 1 plus 2 3 minus 2 to are 4 sin square a by expanding we get 3 minus 4 sin square a got cancelled, we got sin, this is LHS. So LHS equal to RHS we have, that implies we can conclude here sin a is equal to sin 3a by 1 plus 2 cos 2a. Now put a is equal to 15 degrees to calculate the value of sin 15. That is sin 15 degrees is equal to sin 3 into 15 degrees becomes 45 degrees by 1 plus 2 into cos 30 degrees. Sin 45 value 1 by root 2 whole by 1 plus 2 into root 3 by 2. These 2 and these 2 get cancelled. 1 by, right, like this, root 3 plus 1 into root 2. And rationalize here, opposite symbol of root 3 plus 1 becomes root 3 minus 1. So root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1 by root 2. So that is root 3 minus 1 by this is root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1 becomes 2. This is 2. That is equal to, we have the value of sin 15 is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Another question is there, fourth question, third one. Fourth question, third one. Prove that tan alpha is equal to, prove that tan alpha is equal to sin 2 alpha by 1 plus cos 2. Sin 2 alpha by 1 plus cos 2 alpha. And hence deduce that tan 15 degrees and tan 22.5 degrees. Here also take RHS sin 2 alpha by 1 plus cos 2 alpha. Sin 2 alpha by 1 plus cos 2 alpha. Sin 2 alpha becomes formula 2 sin alpha cos alpha by 1 plus cos 2 alpha formula 2 cos square alpha. Cos can get cancelled, 2 get cancelled, sin alpha by tan alpha becomes, sin alpha by cos alpha becomes tan alpha. That implies tan alpha is equal to sin 2 alpha by 1 plus cos 2 alpha bigger. Put a is equal to 15 degrees. To get the tan 15 value, tan 15 degrees is equal to sin 30 degrees by 1 plus cos 30 degrees. Sin 30 value 1 by 2 whole by 1 plus cos 30 value root 3 by 2. That is equal to 1 by 2 by taken LCM 2 plus root 3 by 2, 2 get cancelled. that is equal to 1 by 2 plus root 3 we are having. Rationalize to the denominator, that is multiplying up with the opposite symbol of denominator. So 2 minus root 3 by 2 minus root 3. That is equal to 2 minus root 3 by, this is a plus b into a minus b concept. Therefore, tan 15 degrees is equal to 2 minus root 3. In the similar way, we should calculate tan 22.5 degrees also. Put a is equal to 22.5 degrees. That implies tan 22.5 is equal to sin 2 into 22.5 becomes sin 45 by 1 plus cos 45. Sin 45 by 1 plus cos 45. Sin 45 value 1 by root 2 whole by, this is 1 plus 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 by, take LCM here, root 2 plus 1 by root 2, root 2 get cancelled. 1 by root 2 plus 1 into root 2 minus 1 by root 2 minus 1 is there. That implies denominator formula a plus b into a minus b, that is root 2 minus 1 by 1. So simply the value of tan 22 of root 2 minus 1 we proved 2 times already previously. Now fourth question completed. Fifth question. Fifth question, prove that first one, it is IMP 4 marks question. Here in fifth question, whatever sums I am discussing with you, each and every sum is IMP objective for JEE mains. 1 by sin 10 degrees. 1 by sin 10 degrees minus root 3 by cos 10 degrees. Root 3 by cos 10 degrees is equal to 4. Take LHS. 1 by sin 10 degrees minus root 3 by cos 10 degrees. Take LCM here, sin 10 degrees, cos 10 degrees. Sin 10 degrees, cos 10 degrees. By taking LCM here, you can write cos 10 degrees minus root 3 into sin 10 degrees. Multiply and divide with 2. Right? For numerator. So 2 into 1 by 2 cos 10. 2 into 1 by 10 cos 10 minus root 3 by 2 into sin 10 degrees. Whole by, here also multiply and divide with 2. So 2 sin 10 cos 10 we can write. That is equal to 2 into, you can write instead of 1 by 2 here sin 30. Sin 30 cos 10 minus cos 30 sin 10. Sin 30 cos 10 minus cos 30 sin 10. Whole by, this is 1 by 2 into, this is 2 sin a cos a formula, sin 2a, so sin 2 into 10 we can write. Numerator is in the form of, now these two taken into numerator, it becomes 4. Numerator is in the form of sin a cos b minus sin a cos a sin b. So you can write here sin 10 30 minus 10, here denominator sin 20 degrees. That is equal to 4 into, of course, sin 30 minus 10 becomes sin 20 by sin 20. Sin 20 by sin 20 get cancelled. Answer is 4. That is RHS. This is RHS. In fifth bit, second one. Root 3 cosec 20 minus secant 20 equals 4. This is also same model. Root 3 cosecant 20 degrees minus secant 20 degrees is equal to 4. This is also IMP question in mains also. Mains MSET plenty of times this question given in MSET exam. Multiply and divide with, no, first of all you write here root 3 by sin 20. Root 3 by sin 20 minus this is 1 by cos 20. LHS I have taken, that is equal to take LCM here, sin 20 into cos 20. Sin 20 into cos 20. Now write here root 3 cos 20 minus 1 into sin 20. That is equal to in the numerator multiply and divide with 1 by 2. I mean here root 3 by 2 into cos 20. Root 3 by 2 into cos 20 minus here 1 by 2 into sin 20. Just this is the creation of the question to get the answer. Now multiply here like this. Multiply and divide with 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into this is 2 sin 20 into cos 20. That is equal to 2 into, you can understand, instead of root 3 by 2 it is sin 60. Sin 60 cos 20 minus cos 60 sin 20. Sin 60 cos 20 minus cos 60 sin 20. Whole by this is 1 by 2 into this is 2 sin a cos a formula sin 2a. So sin 2 into 20 degrees you can write. These two taken into numerator you can write 4. This is our formula sin a cos b minus cos a sin b becomes the sin of a minus b. So sin 60 minus 20. Sin 60 minus 20 whole by this is sin 2 into 20 becomes 40. That is equal to, of course, sin 60 minus 20 becomes sin 40 by this is sin 40. Sin 40, sin 40 degrees get cancelled. That is answer 4. This is answer. Fifth question. Fifth third question. Most IMP sum. MSET sum. Plenty of times in MSET exam the question given. Fifth third one, tan 9 degrees minus tan 27 degrees minus cot 27 degrees plus cot 9 is equal to 4. Take LHS. Right here tan 9 degrees plus cot 9 degrees. Tan and cot right side by side of the same degree minus taken common here. Tan 27 degrees plus cot 27 degrees. Write the formula. Remember the formula. Tan A plus cot A is equal to 2 cosecant 2A. Plenty of times I said this one. Proof also I said. That is equal to tan theta plus cot theta. is 2 cosecant 2 theta. So 2 cosecant 2 into 9 becomes 18 minus. Here this is 2 into cosecant 2 cosecant 2 into 27 becomes 54. Take 2 common and you write here 1 by sin 18, because 1 by sin theta becomes cosecant theta, and here 1 by sin 54. Remember the formula, sin 18 degrees is equal to root 5 minus 1 by 4, and sin 54 or cos 36 is equal to root 5 plus 1 by 4. Proofs already we discussed. That is equal to 2 into now 1 by sin 18 ulta. So ulta meaning here 4 by root 5 minus 1, minus here also 4 by root 5 plus 1. That is equal to 2 into 4 taken common 1 by root 5 minus 1 plus minus 1 by root 5 plus 1. Take LCM here. 2 into 4, that is equal to 2 into 4 into root 5 plus 1 minus of, right, like this, minus of root 5 minus 1 whole by root 5 plus 1 into root 5 minus 1. That is equal to 2 into 4 into, this is root 5 plus 1 minus root 5 minus of minus plus 1 by a plus b into a minus b concept 5 minus 1. So that is equal to root 5 get cancelled here. You can understand this is 2 into 4 into 2 by this is 4 get cancelled. 4. This is RHS. This is most IMP question. Now fifth one, fourth question. This is also IMP 2 marks. IMP 2 marks. If sin alpha by A sin alpha by A is equal to cos alpha by B, then prove that A sin 2 alpha plus B cos 2 alpha. A sin 2 alpha plus B cos 2 alpha is equal to B. Solution, given value, you can write sin alpha by A is equal to cos alpha by B. Take cross multiplication. So B sin alpha is equal to A cos alpha. So whenever A cos alpha is there, you can write B sin alpha. Whenever B sin alpha is there, you can write A cos alpha. Let it is 1. Now take LHS. A sin 2 alpha. The LHS is A sin 2 alpha plus B cos 2 alpha. A into sin 2 alpha formula 2 sin alpha cos alpha plus B into cos 2 alpha formula 1 minus 2 sin square alpha. So write here 2A sin alpha cos alpha plus B minus this is 2B sin square alpha. From 1 we can write from 1. So instead of A cos alpha, you can write B sin alpha. So here I am putting underline here, that meaning instead of A sin alpha, you can write B. Instead of A cos alpha, I am writing B sin alpha. So 2B sin alpha into sin alpha minus 2B sin square alpha. 2B sin square alpha, that is equal to here plus B, you forgot to write here, plus B minus 2B sin square alpha plus B minus 2B sin square alpha. 2b sin alpha into sin alpha plus b minus 2b sin square alpha. That is equal to, here you can write 2b sin square alpha plus b minus 2b sin square alpha. 2b sin square alpha get cancelled, that is equal to b. This is RHS. Okay students, we have completed Roman number 2, 3, 4, 5 sums. Again depends upon multiple submultiple angles. 6th, 7th sums are there in Roman number 2 only. Let us discuss about 6th and 7th sums in next class.